Hook. You do not need to be a programmer or build your own startup to start. Earning with AI. In this short, I will walk you through a simple idea for an AI-based service that can realistically make around $100 a day once you get a few clients, and you can run the whole thing using tools that are already available. Value. The core idea is very simple. Most small businesses and solo creators know AI exists but have no time to learn prompts, test tools, or set up workflows. You become their AI wrapper, meaning you use existing AI tools on their behalf and package the result as a clear, valuable service. For example, offer YouTube script plus title plus description done for you. Using AI, or weekly content ideas and captions for Instagram generated and customized with AI. You are not selling prompts. You are selling outcomes and save time. Step 1. Pick a niche you understand a little. Maybe local coaches, real estate agents, or online educators. Step 2. Define one clear offer like 4 optimized scripts per week, or 1 month of social captions. Step 3. Build a simple workflow using AI. Idea generation, script or caption creation, light editing, and delivery in a clean document or Google Sheet. You can run everything with 1 or 2 tools. Price your first clients low to get case studies, then slowly raise the rates as you improve and speed up. Once you have a couple of clients, the work becomes predictable, and AI does most of the heavy lifting. CTA. If you want examples of ready-to-use offers and message templates, you can send to potential clients to sell this kind of AI service. Comment clients, and I will prepare a breakdown you can copy, adjust, and start using this week.